Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear apps cache on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen, then go to Applications Settings. If you want to clear all applications caches, select the respective option right here and then click Confirm to perform this action. If you want to clear the cache for a specific application, you have to go to Manage Installed Applications menu, then select the application that you want to fix and select Clear Cache. And this will clear the cache for the selected application. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.